Hey, I'm Fish, DJI Osmo Action 3, DJI Osmo Action 4. Orange, red is how we tell the difference between these cameras. This video is about the latest firmware, putting a Fuelame X5 microphone on, or any microphone. This is what I found out. Maybe it's an issue, maybe it's not, maybe it's the way the camera operates and DJI can tell us. So what I am going to show you right now, I'm going to set it up the way I did this morning, and when I hit the mode on, hit the record, you're going to listen to how the camera reacts. And then I'm going to do it with it being in just the off position and hitting the shutter until it gets up to the instant on as well. And then you can see the characteristics of the camera. So let's get started. To set up as simple as taking the right angle adapter that they supply, snap in, place into the camera like so. But before I do, let's hit the on button and listen to the way it starts. We heard the camera just go into record mode, and when hit the stop of record, it shut down with a sound and the shutdown tone. Let's do the Osmo Action 3. The only thing this camera is not doing is when we hit the mode on button, hit the record button, press the stop button, and shut down. We're not getting the startup tone. That may be quite the norm. So let's hook up the microphone. Plug it in. Let's hope the camera comes on 5 seconds. Let's shut it down. The camera starts up normal. To shut down, you have no tones whatsoever. Now let's see if the Osmo Action 3 can do the same. But did you take note? It instantly went on. So here we are. Shut down. Both cameras act identical. I never knew that the camera basically didn't give you the shutdown tune and the 3-second countdown. It basically silences with a microphone. I am asking, is this quite the norm with the way hooking up an external mic and having a shutdown excludes the shutdown tunes? That is something that is to be desired if you use the beeps being on high, medium, low, or silent. If you keep it on silent, then this should not bother you. But this is something that may bother some people. I'm bringing this to the attention of DJI. And I thank you very much for viewing, and have a great day. I am Fish. If you are interested in the Fuelame X5, check online for further details. I'll put a link down below, and I hope you enjoy your product.